Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have SONOS 5 speaker and I'm going to show you how can you easily enable Google Assistant into this speaker. At first we have to open our SONOS app. Now we have to click on this gear icon over there. Now we have to click manage. And now we have to scroll all the way down to voice assistants. Now we have to click add voice assistant and click Google Assistant. Now there's a quick guide how to control SONOS with Google Assistant. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.